Well, it is a windy and gusty day in our region. You know that if you've been outside today. Llarisa is joining us once again for her home with what we can expect for the rest of the weekend. Hi, Llarisa.
Hello there, Janelle. Happy Friday to you, and happy Friday to everyone watching at home. We finally made it to the end of the week, and we have quite the things to talk about. After wicked weather moved through the region yesterday, we're still dealing with some of the effects of that same storm, cold air wrapping around that disturbance, and that's why we have some snow showers at elevation. We also have some snow mixed in with grapple, I should say, falling right now just south of Philadelphia. I even saw a few flurries during my lunch break right around 11 a.m. earlier this morning. Take a look here at the Poconos, a live picture of the Poconos. It's gray out there. It's windy as well. And if you pay close attention, you can make out a few flurries falling across the region right now. That's going to continue to be the trend here through the next several hours as that disturbance pulls away from our region. This brings me to my next slide here. A wind advisory remains locked in place until 7 p.m. tonight, and it's just going to be very windy. And of course, you factor in the wind, and it feels very chilly out there, despite temperatures really not being too bad. Take a look at peak wind gusts today. 45-mile-per-hour wind speeds clocked in earlier this morning in Philly, not too far behind in Millville, even stronger places like Atlantic City, places like Mount Pocono. We're going to continue to see these blustery conditions pretty much all day long, I should say, with winds peaking here between 2 and 3 p.m. today. And that's going to make things feel, once again, I sound like a broken record, but it's going to make things feel a lot colder than these numbers that you see here on your screen. Temperatures in the upper 40s here right now. By 4 o'clock, we will be topping out right at 50, so quite chilly. Those temps sitting below average for this time of the year. And by 6 o'clock, we're right back down to the upper 40s. As we approach that 8 o'clock hour, temperature of 46 expected, and we continue that downward spiral here as far as temperatures are concerned. Our overnight lows today taking a dive to 37 degrees across the region. It's going to turn out clear, and I do have to mention the Lehigh Valley starting tonight. You will see a freeze watch go into effect, and with that being said, make sure to cover any sensitive vegetation. I know many people already started working on their yards. If you are one of them, make sure to grab a tarp and just cover any of your outdoor plants, because we are going to see those temperatures fall either right below or right at freezing. Places like Allentown down towards the Reading area, and take a look at Mount Pocono today, or tonight's lows will be right below freezing at 27 degrees. 37 here in the city, 37 tonight in Wilmington. Clear skies, still a little bit breezy out there. And then your 7-day forecast shows us more sunshine here for the start of the weekend. It'll still be breezy, so wind still noticeable, but not enough for any wind advisory criteria. So it won't be as windy as today, but still a noticeable breeze outside for Saturday. On Sunday, Easter Sunday, notice that number, big jump in those temperatures, 70 degrees, but we will welcome late day showers and then some soaking rain as we kick off Monday. All right, Llarisa, thanks so much.